Gonna have meatloaf with mashed potatoes and gravy. Oh yeah. First thing we gotta do is source out our meat, so we're gonna go down to our local mob boss who's zipping up some undesirables. Then head over to my sister where she's just done with that deadbeat of hers. And sourcing pigs, that's just easy. Use a machine gun. Works every time. Now we're getting down to it. We're going to add our onion. We're going to add our chipotles, egg, cornmeal. And as far as the blood's concerned, you want that adrenochrome to be spiking the way you like it. So you got to get 'em screaming. And then mix thoroughly. Put it in your mold. Into the oven, 315 for an hour and 15 minutes. Taters are simple. Read the directions. And then we got our Spam and Red Bull gravy. I mean, you wouldn't believe the shit they put in that stuff. And then you're going to add baked beans into it to make it look normal. Give it a zip in the blender, pour it into the pan, and get ready to serve. And if you serve it on a bed of greens, nobody's going to think twice about nothing. Little gravy on top, dollop of ketchup, cut her open. Looks good to me. Okay, people, have a good Halloween. Thanks for watching.